Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. This time I will take you to Shenzhen Shuiwei Taste Oyster and Coconut Chicken. Exit first of Fusion Station. Keep going. It takes about 15 minutes to reach Shuiwei. You can also take the MTR and get off at Fumin Station. When you see MC Donald's, turn left and walk about 200 meters. We'll arrive at that restaurant. The store I passed by has been introduced before. To revisit, please see the link in the upper right corner. Arrive a little before we go. View the environment on the second floor. More spacious than the first floor. There are 2 wing rooms with higher privacy. One of them has a street view and the atmosphere is better. First look at the menu. Soup base. It seems that there is no material. It's fresh coconut water. Add chicken after boiling. This kind of chicken is called Wenchang chicken. Will be put into the pot later. Hong Kong dollar to Chinese yuan is 1:1. Almost like 10% off. Can be used for every $100 spent. Only accept Hong Kong dollars value of 100, not 500. The size of an oyster is as long as a paper towel. So attractive, so looking forward to. Coconut water after boiling. Waiter asks chicken. How long does it need to cook? 2 minutes. Ready to eat in 2 minutes. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Then uncover and cook for 2 minutes. Cook for a total of 4 minutes. I was taken aback by thinking it would cook in 2 minutes. Soy sauce is special. On the right is scallion oil with soy sauce. On the left is lime, chili, and ginger mixed soy sauce. First time trying this soy sauce for hot pot. After boiling, open the lid. Cook for 2 minutes and you're ready to eat. The waiter suggested that this chicken should not be cooked for too long. The best taste is boiled for 4 minutes. Eat roast pork intestines first. This is conch snails. With wasabi and sashimi soy sauce. Try the taste. Try the original first. Has a sweet smell. The more you chew, the sweeter. Try it with wasabi and soy sauce. The wasabi in this store is very strong. Delicious. Better than original. The chicken was cooked for a total of 4 minutes. Try the taste. Try the original first. The chicken skin is smooth, but the meat is very elastic, so sweet. Try it with soy sauce. Slightly sour with spicy taste. Recommend this soy sauce. With crispy chicken, it is very delicious. Roasted oysters with garlic, about the length of a paper towel. So big and fat. Very tasty. Minced garlic is delicious. Oysters are fat. Personal preference. Cook oysters for about 30 seconds before eating. Try the original first. So full, so fat. Relatively light taste. Slightly sweet. Try with soy sauce. Much more delicious than the original. This soup base tastes sweet, but not salty enough. It is recommended to use soy sauce. Grilled leeks are a must-eat. Skewers are best for appetizers. Try lamb first. Mutton kebabs are the most basic dish in a kebab shop and must be done well. Crispy skin and juicy gravy. Qualified. Salty is not enough, a little bit. This is pork belly. Better than lamb. Not too soft. Crispy skin. It's even better than lamb. Ignore the beef balls and fat cows for now. Try mustard grilled oysters first. Fat and huge. How does it work? This is yellow mustard, not green mustard. Slightly sweet. Slightly spicy and slightly sweet. The effect is good. But I prefer garlic roasted oysters. This is grilled lamb chops. Eat this fatty part. Full of the fragrance of sheep oil, very delicious. The taste of this lamb chop is temporarily the first. Second place is chicken. The meat is very refreshing. The third place is conch snail. Very sweet. The fourth place is garlic roasted oysters. Other else is normal standard. This is wooden barrel original oyster. So huge. So fat, beautiful and plump. About the length of a paper towel. This one is bigger. Fuller. I choose the fattest to try. Try the original first. Very strong sea smell. The smell of seawater is very strong. It's like eating fresh oysters, but it is cooked. It is very suitable for those who like to eat raw oysters, but are afraid that eating raw oysters is unsafe. It feels like eating hot oysters with a strong sea flavor. Try it with wasabi and soy sauce. Better than original. To re-rank, this is the first. Full of oyster taste, sweet and sea flavors. It's like eating high-end raw oysters. This video is over. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press notification bell. Never miss a video update. Thank you all.